feeling frustrated in your life? Do you wake up angry? If the Diary of a Mad Black Woman could be the title of your life, then that's what I want to talk about in this video. I want to talk about why you're angry, and I want to talk about anger. So if you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So like I said, in this video, I want to talk about anger. So if you wake up feeling angry and you have an attitude with people for no apparent reason, this video is for you. We want to talk about anger. I want to talk about anger and why people move in the world being angry and mad and having an attitude. You hear this all the time, and I see it all the time, honestly, with people just being angry for what it seems is no apparent reason. And I have to admit, your girl was one of those. And you know, honestly, I didn't even realize it. I didn't realize that I was one of those people that were just angry for no reason. I had a vendetta and I didn't even realize it. So that's what I want to talk about in this video. And the reason why I bring it up in the first place is I was on TikTok. Yes, girlfriend, I was on TikTok and I saw a video of a girl, and she had a vendetta. She did. She had a vendetta, and she felt so, you could just tell that she just felt so convicted in this, whatever she was talking about. I'm not going to talk about what she was talking about, but she was convicted, right? But if you know anything about relating to other people, and oftentimes other people can see it more so than yourself, I could tell that she was angry. She was angry. She was mad. And I want to talk about anger because I think that a lot of women move in their lives being angry. You hear about men say this all the time, especially in the dating world, like, why are you angry? Why are you mad? Okay, little tangent. I did not for the longest time know what WYM meant until I asked somebody one day, because I just got so tired of not knowing. I was like, what does that mean? They're like, why are you mad? I'm like, so that's what they were saying to me? Yeah, I'm late. I'm a laggard. But so I do want to talk about this thing called anger. And so if you know anything about anger, you know that anger is a secondary, not a first, but a secondary emotion. And so oftentimes we blame other people for making us angry. But we have to understand what anger is. Anger is a secondary emotion, and anger arises within us when we want to change something. Now, this is important because once you understand why you're angry, this can quite literally change your life. Now, you don't know who I am. My name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit. And I'm also the creator of Manifesting Made Basic, the most simple methodology when it comes to transforming your life. And so if we realize that anger is a secondary emotion and arises within us when we want something to change, then we're off to the right start, right? So if you're walking through life just angry and you're not realizing why, this is why. You have something within yourself that wants something to change. And so oftentimes with anger, it's often a secondary emotion to loss. So it's loss of control, it's loss of confidence, it's loss of safety, security, all of these things. We feel loss of something, and then anger arises because we want to change that thing. So I know for me, I had a vendetta against men for the longest time, and I did not even realize it. I always loved men, you know, well, I thought I did. I love how they looked. I love being around men, but I did have a vendetta against men, and I didn't even realize it. And so one would think, okay, you're angry, for no apparent reason, but it is for a reason. But you're angry, why? So if anger is a secondary emotion to loss, and it arises because we want to change something, what could that be saying to me? It could be saying that I feel a loss of security, a loss of safety, and I might be angry because I want to change that within my life. So I want us to understand, okay, you're not angry for no apparent reason, right? There's always something behind it. It's a secondary emotion, and it's a secondary emotion to loss. So what is it in your life that you're feeling lack or loss of? And it can be loss of control. Anytime that I might get angry with my partner, maybe I feel like I have a loss of control. And so I am conjuring up this anger within me because I want to change this. I want to change the fact that I don't feel like I have control of my life or something like that. Something along those lines, right? So we have to look at this. If you are moving in your life, going forward, being angry with people, copping attitudes with people, and you don't know why, you think you got an attitude and you mad and all this kind of stuff, let's look at that. Let's look at it. Because you're not angry for no reason. We have to look at what is the root. Now, I am the creator of Manifesting Made Basic, and this is how I transform my life. And so if you're feeling like you're in a position of loss where you feel like, okay, I need to change something in my life, that's where manifesting and actually being intentional with your life really comes in. Okay? I was in a space where I did feel angry. When I packed up my stuff and I ran off to the mountains, you know, if you know anything about my transformation story, I went from a single mom and homeless to buying my dream home with my partner in less than a year. And prior to that, I had got to a really dark time in my life. I packed up everything and ran off to the mountains. And when I was in the mountains, I got clear on what it is I truly desired for my life. I was in a state of lack, chaos, all sorts of things. And I had to get clear on what it is I truly desired, right? So I was in a space where I didn't feel safe. I wanted a relationship, a marriage where I felt safe, I felt secure, I felt provided for, taken care of, these kind of things. So I had to get crystal clear on what it is that I truly desired for my life and get out of anger. Really? But you have to be intentional with your life. You have to look at it. And it just got louder. You have to look at your life and say, what it is that I want. What am I feeling right now? It's not anger. I don't have an attitude. I'm not a bad person. That's not what it is. So we look at what it is that we're truly feeling, because it's not anger. It's loss of something, loss of confidence, loss of safety, loss of control, loss of something. So we look at it, what do we need to do? What is it that I truly desire? And be intentional with my life to change it. Okay? And I really wanted to share that because I think that's so, so powerful when it comes to transforming your life, shifting your life. Because whatever you're feeling right now, you clicked on this video, you feel like you're angry and you're mad and you got attitude and all this kind of stuff, telling you that's not who you are. You choose who you are. You choose your outfit. And so if you want to change, if you want to transform, you can do it. You have to choose. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to share that. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.